What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. I recently discovered a suppressor tracer combo that is compatible with every single rifle style that you see here. That's totally modular and adaptable for any situation. Meaning I want this BL4STEC Brighter C tracer unit here, but my inner barrel is very long. I have the same situation here. I have an BL4STEC mounted in this suppressor here, but I can't use it for the crank. I can't use it for this and a couple of other of my replicas. Now, what's in this box solves all those problems. Now, let's dig into it and see what we got. Now what we got here is a modular suppressor from RWA. It's called the Lone Wolf Eliminator. And what it is a segmented suppressor that's fully adaptable to the BL4STEC BL4STER C. It allows me to put this anywhere I want on any rifle. Doesn't matter the length of the outer barrel or the length of the inner barrel poke on the crank and then on the Scar Heavy. These are machined billet aluminum, modular and adaptable. The threads are your standard 14mm. It'll accept all your 14mm adapters. How I'm gonna build this out for the Scar, build around the BL4STEC BL4STER C. I need the special one that has ledge. This one goes on the bottom, and notice how good of a fit it sits down in this area. So there's multiple O-rings that come in the kit. They also fit perfectly on the outside of the BL4STEC tracer unit. Put an O-ring in there, which fits perfectly because it's machined to fit that. And these are just generic O-rings you can get. I'm going to put that in there like this. And I'm going to build around this BL4STEC Brighter C. For the top cap, I have all the flash or a little less signature flame mode. We're gonna test it out. Add one more by the looks of it. Woo! Now for the crank, we're gonna get back to our tracer unit. There it is. Put that off the side. Thread this in there. Now I won't be sacrificing any accuracy because my inner barrel's flopping around. Just add one more section. Grab my tracer unit and thread that to the top. Does it work? That's a well-lit area. Don't forget to hit that like. That's sick. Well, if you like this kind of content, hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know what you like, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in.